I am sharpening crayons.
What does that mean?
Yeah. I'm sharpening your crayons.
Want to color some Easter eggs?
You have colored some eggs. There aren't any more. Don't look at me like that. There aren't any more eggs. You have colored every egg in the house and one of your baseballs.
We gotta get some more.
We have enough Easter eggs.
You can never have enough Easter eggs
How's that?
because there are so many places to hide them.
And that's another thing. Last year we were finding eggs all the way up to taking out the Christmas decorations.
Well, you're supposed to hunt really good.
I hunted for hours. You're not supposed to hide them in ridiculous places like behind the Christmas tree ornaments and the Christmas stuff in the back corner of a closet.
Well, the Easter Bunny would.
Do you really believe there's an Easter bunny?
No, but I'm acting as a substitute Easter Bunny.
Baskets, belly aches, Jesus, the cross, resurrection morning. Don't get sidetracked.
But eggs represent new life, and colored eggs always go with Easter.
I knew that.
And don't try to deny it, Bernie. You love chocolate Easter bunnies.
Well, sure. But I remember the real, true meaning of Easter.
And so do I.
Heroes. Hallelujah. And speaking of remembering, have you memorized your part for the Easter program?
Probably.
What do you mean, probably?
I probably have it memorized.
Good. Would you say it to me?
What if I don't have it memorized?
And I will tell Dad you must practice it some more.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Easter time has come again. The snow is almost gone. Soon tulips will be blooming by new grass on our lawn. We color eggs, eat chocolate bunnies, maybe get new shoes. But do we spend our time just right and thank God for the news?
Go on.
He is not here, the angel said. He walked out of this tomb. On Easter morning, he's not dead. He lives for us. Our hearts should now make room.
Hey, very good. You're a real wonder.
Well, I said it over and over and over and over yesterday.
Good. Now you won't mess up in church.
I sure hope not. I get so nervous.
Well, practice makes you not nervous. Just keep saying it.
I am. He is not here, the angel said. He walked out of this tomb. He lives for us. Our hearts should now make room.
Forgot to say on Easter morning.
I said it.
Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Just keep practicing. The other thing you gotta remember this Easter is where you hide all the eggs. Count them first. Don't put them in Dad's shoes.
Oh, yeah.